Explore some simple yet effective ways to take better photos with your smartphone. 1. Clean your lens. Seriously. Our phones spend a lot of time in our pockets and hands, which means the lens often gets smudged. A quick wipe with a soft cloth can make a surprising difference in image clarity. Light is the most crucial element in photography. Natural light, especially during the golden hours shortly after sunrise and before sunset, is soft, flattering, and enhances colors. Avoid harsh direct sunlight, which can create strong shadows. Most smartphone cameras automatically focus, but you can take control. Tap on the screen where you want the focus to be sharp. Often, a small sun icon will appear, allowing you to swipe up or down to adjust the exposure, brightness. 4. Use the rule of thirds. Imagine dividing your frame into 9 equal sections with 2 horizontal and 2 vertical lines. Placing your subject or points of interest along these lines or at their intersections often creates more balanced and visually appealing compositions. Most phone cameras have a grid option you can enable in the settings. 5. Explore different angles. Don't let your phone decide what's important. Tap on the area of the screen where you want the focus to be sharp. You'll often see a small box appear, confirming your focal point. This also often adjusts the exposure, brightness, of that area. Good lighting can make or break a photo. Whenever possible, utilize natural light, especially during the golden hours, shortly after sunrise and before sunset. Avoid using your phone's built-in flash directly, as it often creates harsh shadows and unflattering results. If you need more light indoors, try positioning your subject near a window. Most smartphone zoom functions are digital, which means the phone is essentially cropping and enlarging the image, often resulting in a loss of quality and pixelation. Instead of zooming in, physically move closer to your subject to maintain sharpness and detail.